Let's take a quick tour of our high-capacity water and ice dispenser, the exciting 980-30 and the Tabletop 985-30. What is special about the 980-30? With the 980-30's innovative dispensing and 30 pounds of ice storage, users can dispense the good chewable ice and freshly filtered ambient water through a single point-of-use dispenser. It's perfect for busy workplaces and client centers that require rapid water and ice dispensing, like gyms, healthcare facilities, warehouses, distribution centers, and break rooms with shifts where higher volumes require higher performance. Let's look at some of the 980-30's state-of-the-art features in more detail. One key advantage of the 980-30 is that we maintain and take care of the machine for you. Our customer care team is on call to answer questions, problem solve, and arrange prompt service calls, ensuring that you always have quality water. Hygienic dispensing is more important now than ever, so the 980-30 has 3 features specifically designed to deliver peace of mind. A point-of-dispense UV system to maintain system cleanliness, stainless steel ice storage bin for optimal freshness, and a smooth, scratch-resistant surface for quick and easy cleaning. When it comes to performance, the 980-30 is outstanding. Culligan Quench's advanced carbon or reverse osmosis filtration produces great-tasting water and ice. With up to 380 pounds of chewable nugget ice per day and onboard storage for up to 30 pounds of ice, there's plenty of ice for larger organizations. Recovery time is fast, so ice is always on tap for breaks and shift changes. The 980-30 is convenient and easy to use, with a single dispensing spout for water and ice, which offers ice-only dispensing, water-only dispensing, or water and ice combined dispensing. The large 10.5-inch dispense height is perfect for large mugs, glasses, and small igloos. At 68.3 inches high, the freestanding model is the perfect height for easy, no-bend dispensing. Its 26.7-inch by 16.6-inch footprint lets you fit it almost anywhere that there's power and water source nearby. Looking to save floor space? We have you covered with a tabletop model, the 985-30. Water and ice up with the 980-30. To find out more, call your Culligan Quench water expert or visit culliganquench.com.